Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Windows Update Services is not working. If you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11 and you're facing the issue that your Windows Update Services is not running or is not working, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So this is the perfect fix. You just have to restart your Windows service. Now to do this, you just have to press Windows plus R to open run command, or you can right click on this start button and then select run from here to open run command. Now in this section, you just have to enter services.msc. Once you have entered, just click OK. So it will open the services. Now you just have to click on any of service and then press W from the keyboard to open W section. Now here you just have to look for Windows Update. There's Windows Update. Just right click on it and then you just have to click on start, or if it's already started, so you can try to restart if you have this option. So you can try to restart. I'm gonna refresh this, and once it has been refreshed, you have to click on start, and once it has been started, you just have to click on restart. And once your Windows Update service has been restarted, your issue will be fixed. It will completely refresh or restarted your Windows service, so you will not get any kind of issue here. So not before you really try to update your Windows, you have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. Then go to Windows Update section, and here just try to retry, or you have to check for update, and your Windows will now up to date. You will not get any kind of error. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.